traders, it's 44 minutes past 3 p.m. here in Brisbane on Monday, the 25th of September, and I am looking to pick up a fight here with CAD Swiss. So last week, the Swiss National Bank has surprised the market and decided to keep their interest rate at bay at 1.75. The market was actually expecting an increase of the interest rate by 0.25%. So that surprise saw the sell-off of the Swiss franc. Couple that with the strength that we've seen lately of the Canadian dollar, and I've got my eyes on CAD Swiss. So taking a look here on the weekly chart, and we can see we've been in a downtrend. Now we had a poke here of price action, and it looked like we made a higher high, but really what happened here is the market was pushing into this breakout level. There were a lot of sellers still sitting here because after all this consolidation, we broke through it quite decisively. So this was the pullback to test it from below. We had a push, so the original push from here couldn't push any lower. We actually made somewhat of an equal low, had another bit of a pullback and a lower low. So there's still some sellers sitting here, and there was a lot of fight going on between the buyers and the sellers, and we kept at this area for a couple of weeks, and then we finally turned, and we can see two strong bullish weekly candles bringing us back into this breakout level. Now, if we'll take a look at the information on that breakout level on the daily chart, so we've got this low right here on the way down and the breakout level, which is the red line. We can see that we're already with price action taking care of that area. So we could see some pullback, some release of the strong buying pressure, but really the level that I'm looking at is the top one. So I want to see clear sign that this market has turned. So far we can see we have a lot of green daily candles on the way up, so strong bullish momentum. But I want to see first of all what the sellers have around this area. I'd like to see some pullback, and I want to see the market steady coming up into the green line. So if I'll come back into the weekly chart, my green line, which is going to be my offense line, is the area over here that already tested this previous breakout level. And on the monthly chart, what I like about this one is that it's also the low of this bullish candle, which was, as we can see, tested here with that wick. So coming back into the weekly chart, what I'm looking for is the market to touch this green line again, so to have this nice compressions of price, then I'll be looking for a potential break. So this might take a while. We're still sitting further away from this level. Now, if we get that compressions of price, then this is my plan for this market. I'm looking for a break of this level in and around the 68.30 area, with the first point win just at the cross C above this strong bearish candle that cleared the breakout level. So this is the area for my point win in and around the 688 area. And for the knockout, I'll be looking at the top of this level. And this is quite a conservative play. However, if we'll see strong momentum as it builds underneath this level, then I'll be looking to push my targets toward the 0.7, which is a nice round number, and the monthly levels, which is in around the 0.71. So if I go back into the monthly, let me just bring that back, then we can see this is the level before we started that downtrend over here. So to summarize, I am looking for a compressions of price underneath the level of 0.6830. So that is this green line over here. Then I'll be looking for a conservative point win around the 68.80 area, the blue line, and the knockout around the purple line, the 69.20 area. If, however, we'll see strong break after this compression, then I'll be looking to push targets toward the 0.70 and potentially toward the 0.71. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.